This is a demonstration on how to use the RMC Ox-Yoke B.I.D kit, item number ML1082. The B.I.D kit has multiple functions, but today we're going to show you how to clear a load out of a flintlock muzzleloader. Have you ever loaded your gun and then realized that you never put the powder in? You can clear that load using the RMC Ox-Yoke B.I.D kit. To use the B.I.D kit, unscrew the plastic handle, screw in the CO2 cartridge, screw the plastic handle back on, and screw in the tip. For safety reasons, it is important to cover the muzzle of your gun. After removing the touch hole liner, place the tip of the B.I.D kit to the touch hole of your muzzleloader. Squeeze the trigger of the device, and your load will dispense out the barrel. It's that easy.